What's going on YouTube? I just wanted to make a tutorial to show you how you can quickly and easily use a small function while ignoring errors in Microsoft Excel. So here I have a situation where we have a bunch of values, and as you can see they're divided by 0 errors in Excel because you can't divide a number by 0. Um, we want to use a small function while ignoring errors. So the normal small function is just equals small, open parentheses, the array is range of cells that you want to do the calculation on, and then the k is the argument that allows you to determine like smallest function. So like smallest numbers, like if you want the first smallest number, you want the second smallest number, third smallest number, so on and so forth. But it would just give you this error. It is exceeded divided by 0 errors in Excel. So to get around this, you can actually use the aggregate function to calculate, use a small function while ignoring errors. So what I mean by that is equals aggregate, tab to open parentheses. The first argument is a number that corresponds to what you want to calculate. So in this situation, we want to do small, so you're going to type 15. Then the next argument is what you would like to ignore. So you can ignore hidden rows, ignore error values, ignore hidden rows and error values. 6 in this example. And then the array is the range of cells that you want to do the calculation on. So here is the range of cells, and k is an optional argument for but for the aggregate function. That's because other calculations, such as average or sum, do not need to have the k value, but because you're using a small function, you do need the k value. So we want to calculate the smallest number. Then we can select this. We want to calculate the second smallest number. You can do this. This situation, we want to calculate the smallest number, so we're going to do this right here. Then close parentheses, and that is the smallest number ignoring error values. And we're going to go into the function. We're going to lock down these range of cells. So F4, or because I'm on a laptop, function F4. Enter. Then we're going to Control C, Shift down arrow, Control V, and then yeah. And here you can see there's the smallest value, the smallest number, the second smallest number, then the third smallest number, and so on and so forth. As you can see, 12 and 13, 11 show up repetitively. That is because it is shown numerous times in this situation. So because 12, 13 is so prevalent, it shows up numerous times. But with that being said, I hope that you found this to be useful. If you did, please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.